In exercise 9.1, question number 6, we are given that the height of the boy is 1.5 meter and height of the building is 30 meter. The question is that when the boy, who is 1.5 meter tall, walks towards the 30 meter tall building, the angle of elevation increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. So when the boy AB starts walking towards the building PQ, which is 30 meter tall, so from his eyes, when he looks at the top of the building, the angle of elevation increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. So as we know that when we are far away from the building or any height, the angle is smaller, but when we move towards the height or the building, the angle increases gradually. So suppose from this point here, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now to draw the angle from this point, we need one imaginary line parallel to the ground. So from here we will draw a line parallel to the ground which will intersect PQ at another point, let it be R. Now from here the angle of elevation is 30 degree. But after moving some distance towards the tower, towards the building, let the position here is A dash, P dash. He has moved from B to B dash. And in moving so, the angle of elevation from this point now becomes 60 degree. So we have to find out that what is the distance travelled by the boy from B to B dash. Okay. So let BB dash is equal to X. Okay. Now, as we know that distance AB is equal to RQ, as the figure formed here, ABQR is a rectangle, as these two angles are 90 degree. So this part will be equal to this part. So since AB is equal to RQ, both equal to 1.5 meter, therefore the effective height in triangle, this triangle and this triangle, will be only this. So as total height of PQ is 30 meter, so PR is equal to 30 minus 1.5 is equal to 28.5 meter. That means in calculation, the height which we are going to use is 28.5 meter. Now as this BB dash is X, so A dash is also X. Okay. So let this A dash R be Y. Now, in triangle A dash RP, where theta is equal to 60 degree, and the relation is between perpendicular and the base, so we will use here tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is PR and the base is A dash R, which is equal to 28.5 upon AR, which is we have taken as A dash R as Y. Now theta is 60 degrees, so tan 60 degree is equal to 28.5 upon y. So tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to 28.5 upon y. So from here we get y is equal to 28.5 upon root 3. Let this be equation number 1. We will not rationalize it here as this is not the final step. Again, now we will take triangle APR. In triangle APR, where theta is equal to 30 degree, we will use tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular PR upon base AR. So tan 30, which is equal to 1 upon root 3, is equal to PR, which is 28.5 upon AR is in two parts, A dash plus A dash R, which is equal to X plus Y. That implies by cross multiply X plus Y is equal to 28.5 under root 3. Now here, from equation number 1, we will put the value of y. So x plus 28.5 upon root 3 is equal to 28.5 under root 3. Therefore, x is equal to 28.5 under root 3 minus 28.5 upon root 3. Therefore, x is equal to, by taking out the LCM, 28.5 under root 3 into under root 3 minus 28.5 upon under root 3. Therefore, x is equal to 28.5 into 3 minus 28.5 upon root 3. Therefore, x is equal to 28.5 into 3 multiplied $85.5 minus 28.5 upon under root 3. Therefore, x is equal to 85.5 minus 28.5 is 57 upon root 3. Now we will rationalize it. 57 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. So x is equal to 57 root 3 upon 3. We can cancel it. That implies x is equal to 19 under root 3 meter. So this is the distance travelled by the boy towards the building, because of which the angle of elevation increases from 30 degree to 60 degree.